Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pin messages and view them on Discord. So just go into a server that I think you have to own to pin. I'm not quite sure, but sometimes you're allowed to pin in some servers. Sometimes you have to own the server or have the permission to do so. But for instance, I want to pin this text, so I'm just going to select more, and I'm going to select pin message, and it's like, oh yeah, pin it. And then to see it, you can select see all pinned messages here, or view it on the pinned messages. You can also dislike and like a comment now apparently, but for instance, if this message is helpful, you can press helpful here. If it's not, you can select not helpful. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.